Hey, so welcome back, part two, and I watched his Leetcode again. Um, like in my head it makes sense, but I need to revisit again, so I will solve that problem later on. So for now, let's do that. Like, which one should I choose? Here, here, here. All right, stack. All right, so let's do min stack. So design a stack class to support push pop at top and get me an operation. Okay, what do you mean get me in? It's like it is getting min stack initialize stack object. Okay, void push shows element bar. Okay, void pop removes the element on the top. Yes, and top get the top. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. I think it's like we could do um, much easier. So for init, we are going to somehow like current min. So we need to check the the lowest point. I'll actually let's do it like so. We need something like array. Um, think about it. Is it array better? Hash map better? But probably array better. So we need something array, and we need something like min current min. It's like this for the helper. So yeah, I mean, like we can do current top, but I don't think it is like necessary for like Python. Um, let's see. Let's check the constraints. So it could be negative. Okay, that's not good. Pretty much it is saying. And I guess we can initialize to like um, anyhow. Let's do that. So self. I forgot how to do it myself. I think like we have a stack. Um, for the naming convention wise, let's not do that. Like C stack and so current min. For this one, basically, we have to let's do it on. So when we push something, basically we are going to self C stack and pan ball. But the thing is, like, if current min is none, we are going to set it as current min. By myself. I think it's how we use it like that. So current min. Bar else and so min is basically like min. We are going to check the current one and bar. So the pop one, we have to make sure that length is not tag 0. We can pop it. So we're just going to do that thing and return, and we are just going to say stack and pop. But we have to think about this, and here, and once we pop it, it says somehow it's 0. We have to reset the current. Yeah. To none. And also think about like because the latest one could be like what's current min, and how we gonna do that? How do we know like second like lowest thing? Like how? I don't know, like let's come back. It's similar. We are going to like alright, so if we have that specification, and we don't have to worry about this. So we just can return like sub c stack and the latest one. So now we have adapted this problem. Let me think, like how are we going to like retrieve the, I mean retrieve itself is pretty simple. It's just like current min, right? So the problem is that like in this case, like once pop it, like what if the latest one was the so we might have to like the current stack, and like we need to check about like minimum stack. So what do you mean by that is like here if self current min is bigger than or equal to that, we are going to self min stack, and we are going to append it. Oh. And once we pop it, so like if we are it meant the C self C stack and C stack top. Can we do that? I don't know, like let's keep it this way. Actually I think we'll come to just top. self in stack like this, so then we can just pop it. Pop. Yeah. So yeah, instead of tracking like rent min, what we can do is now is just um, from the top and then stack. We don't need it then. Instead of like this, we can try like this. The top one. Alright, yeah, let's do it. Because it returned as a list. Maybe we shouldn't do it this way. On this out of range. Python array last element. Yeah. Is it because of empty? The current min is not there anymore. It could be just, over. Yeah. Self. Self. Surprisingly, it worked. But I don't think it is the best idea to do that. Let me double check. What is the improvement point? So we might don't need the it was down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think so. But what is like a necessary part? What is you didn't build when all done? I think so. Yeah. Let me check the hint. How infrastructure sector we should. Yeah. Let me check the solution. Brute force, I mean, it's pretty obvious, but it's not recommended because getting maintenance is gonna take a while. Because at least in require big O, like big O and two stacks, yes. Oh, okay, two stack. What we did. I think we could do better. Oh, okay. I mean, the problem is. Let's see. So I mean, it's gonna make it more difficult. I think it's 2 sec is good enough. I believe so. What do you guys think? So let's. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm happy, but I need to go back to Sudoku question on one day, so I'll go back. Thank you.